Welcome to today's Skilled MBA case study. Our focus is on Fujitsu NSK Lifecycle Innovation, a breakthrough partnership demonstrating how sustainable business operations can be transformed through data intelligence and predictive technologies. This case was published on November 28, 2025, and represents one of the most relevant examples of sustainability-led digital transformation in global manufacturing. This case is valuable across multiple learning groups. For students, it provides a real-world application of digital transformation, circular economy models, and predictive analytics, core skills needed for future business leadership. For faculty, this case offers cross-disciplinary teaching material combining operations strategy, sustainability, and Industry 4.0 innovation. And for industry stakeholders, the project demonstrates how lifecycle management can increase operational efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and build a competitive advantage grounded in responsible business practices. This innovation is the result of a strategic partnership. Fujitsu brings digital intelligence, while NSK contributes decades of mechanical expertise in industrial bearing technology. Together, they aim to transform traditional maintenance processes into a data-driven lifecycle management system, extending component life and reducing environmental waste. The core of this innovation is Fujitsu's Sustainability Value Accelerator platform. It operates as a unified data ecosystem capable of monitoring component performance in real time, predicting wear and failure patterns, supporting lifecycle extension through reconditioning, and enabling circular economy practices at scale. This platform makes sustainability measurable, traceable, and actionable. The system offers 6 key capabilities: centralized data collection for visibility over product history, condition monitoring to detect wear before failure occurs, predictive maintenance powered by AI insights, cross-company collaboration for supply chain alignment, full traceability, supporting compliance and reporting, powered by UVANCE, enabling global scalability and adoption. Each capability reinforces efficiency, reliability, and environmental responsibility. The rollout follows a phased strategy. The current stage involves pilot testing with early adopters. Next, the platform will undergo refinement based on technical and operational feedback. In 2026, a full-scale global launch is scheduled. Future plans include expanding the model across manufacturing sectors through industry co-creation. This phased approach ensures reliability, adoption readiness, and maximum impact. The business benefits are significant: improved reliability and reduced downtime, lower lifecycle costs through reconditioning, stronger sustainability credentials and compliance, and the creation of new service-based business models based on circular economy principles. This system turns sustainability into measurable financial performance. This case is an excellent example of where technology, strategy, and sustainability intersect. It demonstrates lifecycle management as competitive strategy, circular economy execution in real operations, predictive analytics transforming maintenance from reactive to proactive, and sustainable business design supported by intelligent digital platforms. Industries are shifting from a linear model, where products are simply made, used, and discarded, to circular value chains, where components are reused and renewed. Digital platforms make this shift possible through transparency, traceability, and smart decision-making. This is the future model of resilient, sustainable operations. The projected impact is substantial: up to 50% lifecycle extension through intelligent reconditioning, 30% reduction in lifecycle cost, and a full global rollout targeted for 2026. This demonstrates how sustainability can simultaneously reduce costs and increase operational resilience. In conclusion, the Fujitsu NSK partnership sets a new standard for industrial operations. It proves that technology and environmental responsibility are not opposing forces. Instead, they are complementary drivers of long-term competitive advantage, creating value for businesses, customers, and the planet. This is sustainability, not as a reporting exercise, but as a business model. Thank you for listening, and keep learning on your journey to success. See you in the next case study.